Kenosha Airport information, Whiskey 1453 Zulu weather, wind 100 at 7, visibility 10, sky clear, temperature 24, dew point 17, altimeter 3009er, visual approach in use, landing and departing runway 7 left and runway 7 right. Use caution for parachute jumping, approximately 5 miles northeast of the Kenosha Airport along the lakefront. All aircraft read back runway and hold short instructions. Advise on initial contact, your intentions, that you have information, Whiskey.
And so we're ready to pick up. We're clear to the left and the right and above.
Whoa!
Kenosha Tower, helicopter 3014 at the terminal ramp with Whiskey. Take off to the east, depart to the east, south along the lakeshore.
Helicopter 014 Kenosha Tower, remain south of runway 7 left at all times. Departure at your own risk. Proceed on course.
Helicopter 014 will remain south of runway 7 left at all times.
Kenosha Tower, 1913 Lima. We're on our base for 7 left.
East Coast Jet 71 Kenosha Tower, stand by.
There's ETL.
Bonanza 13 Lima, runway 7 left, clear to lane number 2. This is Tauber. It's about a mile and a half in front of you on a left.
Now we're going to turn southbound over the lakeshore.
Okay.
Kenosha Tower, 19 X-ray, Alpha 3.
Burlington traffic, helicopter 014 has the traffic departing Burlington to the southeast about 2,000 feet. Now what we're going to do is we're going to fly directly over the airport, and then we're going to turn left to parallel that long runway, and we're going to land in this direction.
Okay.
The parallel course is called the downwind.
Yeah, it only takes a ride in a helicopter for me to get one in on you.
Burlington traffic, helicopter 014 overhead the airport, 45-degree entry left downwind, runway 11, Burlington. Burlington traffic, helicopter 014, left base, runway 11, Burlington. Burlington traffic, short final, runway 11, Burlington. Helicopter 014.
Like a downy feather.
Warrior 4303.